What's up, guys? Just doing some quick maintenance on the Lexus. Alright, so we're gonna give it a quick shot, see if it starts. I don't think it is. Try it, just try it, I'm curious. Ah! So close. Well, it wanted to, but it didn't. So we brought some jumper cables. We're just gonna jump it really quick. If I bring the car like literally like right nudged in here.
That is a possibility.
Alright, so let's give it a shot.
You have a flathead?
No. Why? That's what you had.
Because I can get into it with a flathead. This car probably came with a secondary key for that, but
okay.
Obviously they don't have that.
Alright. You got it?
Take your shot tower on the battery, whatever.
Alright.
It doesn't really matter. Wait. There we go.
Let it rip. All good. So, this is pretty much like the runaround. It's missing a front bumper, but who cares? We got some cool stickers on there. But it runs, but we're just kind of keeping it here. We're not really sure what's gonna happen to it. For now, we're just kind of like, I'm learning to drift. See, like you can tell, the tires are like really worn down. I'm just kind of learning on it. He already knows how, he's kind of teaching me, but it's just, so, I'll just give you a quick drive around in it, just to show you. The handle's broken, so it's kind of ratchet. Like, it runs and shit. So, we're just kind of like letting it, there's Tony. We're just kind of like letting it warm up, I guess. Because it's supposed to get super cold, and we had to jump the battery. We did basic maintenance to it, though. It does scrape. Like, really bad.
Never forget.